Hey guys, it's Jaime Zabidi. I want to show you another product I just launched and also just got ranked #1 on all of Amazon organically. Let's dive right in. Okay guys, I'm going to make this a very quick video. This is a brand new listing we just launched last week, and we are already in the first spot for one of the main keywords. Over here has 5,000 search volume. We were in the 80th spot a few days ago, 45th, 18th. Now we're in the first spot. And then you can see over here, this keyword over here with 6,000 search volume, we went up double. We were in the 71st spot, 48th spot. This keyword over here, 5,400 search volume. We were in the 85th spot. Now we're in the top 10. We're in the 10th spot. All these keywords are improving. We're ranking organically. The best part is we're not sponsoring for these keywords. You can see over here the sponsored ads. We're not sponsoring. We are doing a little bit of sponsored ads, auto campaigns. We are not targeting this exact keyword, because if we did target this exact keyword, we'd get a lot of clicks and not so many conversions, especially since we're competing with people who are bidding a lot of money on these keywords. And we're a brand new product. We don't really want to expense that. So we're going after smaller keywords that we know will convert on, and that Amazon will see, you know what, they're converting on these keywords. Let's show them and give them a chance for these other keywords organically. And also in an auto campaign format, they'll also give us a better chance on converting for those keywords in the auto campaign. And then once I see that those keywords convert in the auto campaign, then I'll take those keywords and I'll add them to an exact match. And of course, none of this can happen without having a perfectly optimized listing. A lot of people, they mess that up. They don't put the keywords in the right order. They don't use long tail phrases. They leave the title short or empty, or they don't put all the best keywords in the title, which is one of the most important parts. You have to have a perfect listing. You have to have a great price. You have to enroll it in Vine. You have to make sure you're not overspending on pay-per-click, especially in the beginning when every click counts and you want to show Amazon as many conversions as possible. And that's it. We ranked #1. If anyone has any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help. Thank you so much for watching.